Hello everyone! So today is lunch o'clock time and we're gonna have munggo. This one. Munggo in English is mango.
Mango is usually eaten every Friday.
It's traditional. Like for Filipinos, they make it during Fridays because this is cheap and budget friendly also, and also yeah. We can also put some ampalaya leaves or other that green
Malunggay,
moringa. It was really good.
Others put ground pork. Tastes good. Chicharon also.
Yeah, chicharon. That one is very popular also. And sometimes the perfect pair for this is the fried fish and this one, the white rice. So if you're gonna go here in the Philippines, you should try this, the mangoes, or we call it munggo.
So good.
So that's all for today's video and see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you.